Today in this video, I'm gonna show about the one small interesting things regarding the magnets. So as mama, I will just keep this there, and this is a neodymium magnet. I'll keep in the centers. After that, my slightly घुमाउन चाहन्छु. Everybody knows that the magnets attracts, the metals. It's a metal coin, So I want to show a small magic or small interesting things that can be shown through this small few coins along with the magnets. You can see it's moving. Since there is a magnet, I can even make it turn around. It looks so magical, right? This works under the law that magnets attract the magnetic substances. Let's say it's not a law so far. Simply I can try with it again. It looks really interesting. I can turn it around. You can see here. To make the students and to make your class interesting, you can use these few plastic cups, one tong-tube pressure, and the few pieces of neodymium magnets, which are really very strong, and the coins, so that you can manage in such a way that you can easily rotate the coins below the magnets. This simply it's because of the magnets, since the coins are attracting each other. See here, you can see it. The coin can be rolled so easily. This experiment could be really interesting for students, even for teachers, to make its class interactive. Simply just see here. It's a really interesting one. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and you can even try in your home or in your class as well. The very interesting video. See here, I'm just like, wow, it looks so lovely. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you everybody. Thank you.